Actor Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide in his Mumbai's residence by hanging himself. His house help informed the police about it. Sushant has worked in several popular films like Kai Poche, MS Dhoni, Chichore, and many more. The whole film industry is mourning his untimely demise. When the actor was not responding for a long time from his room, his friends and domestic help broke into the room. What they found inside shocked them, as beloved actor Sushant's lifeless body was hanging from the ceiling fan of his room. Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Share Cause You Care. My name is Clement, and in this video I will be talking about suicidal tendencies, how you can avoid them, and what are the medical emergencies. So without wasting any more time, let's boom. There's a simple question that I would want to ask. Why do people commit suicide? It is often difficult to imagine what led a friend, family member, or a celebrity to commit suicide. There may be no clear warning signs, and you may wonder what clues you might have missed. Often, many factors combine to lead a person to take the decision to take their own life. It's often an act made during a storm of strong emotion and life stress, rather than after careful consideration. Now let's talk about some solution, guys. What can I do if I'm thinking about committing suicide? Thinking about suicide is very scary. You may have strong feelings that are hard to deal with. You may feel like things will never be better, but you are not alone. Many people think about suicide. Thinking about suicide does not mean that you will have to deal with it all alone. It does not mean that you are going crazy. Thinking about suicide is often a sign that you want to escape. There are ways to feel better. Remember, and always remember, that you are not alone. You can start by talking to someone. You can talk to your family members or friends you trust. You can also call the suicide helpline, and you can call whenever you need help. It's a free call. They are trained to help people. If you have a doctor or a counselor, tell them how you feel. They can teach you the skills to deal with thoughts of suicide. The next question: how can I protect myself from suicide? No one can say that they will never have thoughts of suicide. You can do two big things to prevent suicide. The first is to build connection with other people, and the second to find help for mental health problems. The first one, build connection with other people. Feeling connected to others is a big part of protecting yourself from suicide. Here are ways to build connection. Spend time with your families and friends. Go to cultural or religion events. Get involved in your community. For example, sign up for classes at or a community center. Number second, get help early for mental health problems. Mental health problems are a big part of suicide. You can help protect yourself by finding help for mental health problems early. Here are common signs of mental health problems. Feeling like nothing makes you happy anymore. Feeling like sad or hopeless for many weeks. Feeling like you cannot cope up with the things that happens in your life. Feeling very stressed or scared for many weeks. Noticing strange thoughts or noticing strange things that do not go away. Some people hear voices that others do not hear. Sleeping less than more usual. Eating less than more usual. Drinking more alcohol or using more drugs than usual. Taking a lot of time off to work or school. Avoiding friends or families. Feeling run down or sick often. Talk to your doctor. If you notice these signs, talk to your doctors. Your doctors can see what may be causing the problem. The next question: what are the warning signs of suicide? Some people talk openly about thoughts of suicide, but many people keep their feelings secret. There are warning signs to show that someone needs help. You often see many warning signs happening at the same time. Here are some warning signs. The person talks about wanting to kill themselves. The person uses more drugs or alcohol than usual. The person says that they have no reason to live. The person seems very scared or worried. The person says that they feel like there is no way out of the situation. The person cannot see hope for the future. The person does not want to spend time with others. The person had a hard time controlling their anger. The person does things that may be dangerous and does not think about what might happen. The person's mood changes in a big way. Now, if you are the second or the third person, what can be the situation? Or what can be the question? How can you help someone who is thinking about suicide? If you are worried about someone else, it is important to talk about suicide. Talking about suicide will not give them ideas. You need to talk about it to figure how you can help. Start by talking to the other person if they want to end their life soon and if they have a plan. If they want to end their life soon and if they have a plan, it is an emergency. Do not leave that person alone. Call the suicide crisis number. They can send emergency workers if you need them. Stay with that person until the suicide crisis line workers or the emergency workers say you to leave. If they do not have a plan to end their life, they still need some extra help. You can help them by listening to the other person or by listening to them. You can also help them by finding some extra support. Listening is a very important task. Many people feel that they are all alone with their painful feelings. Listening shows them that they are not alone. You do not have to say much at all. You just have to be there for them. Here are some important things to remember. Take the other person seriously. They are in pain and they need help. Show the other person that you are a good person to talk to. Do not judge them or make fun of them. Trust is very important. Do not make promises that you cannot keep. Show them that you understand that you have a serious problem. Do not give advices like cheer up or pull yourself together. Say things like, you are really important to me, or I don't want you to die. You can also say, it makes sense that you feel like you do, but I can help you to find the other solutions. For such cases, you can always listen and stay with them. Apart from that, you can also contact the Suicidal Helpline. iCall is an international organization which helps people to cope up with the suicidal tendencies. Call them on 091 529 87821. Website is www.icallhelpline.org. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that was helpful. In this video, I will not mention about likes and comments. I leave the judgment to you because this is a different kind of video. I hope you understand. Till then, stay safe and peace.